So would you please give a description about yourself and about your book?
Yeah, basically, I am Shashank and I am a content writer by profession, and I have done BTech, just like half of the Indian population. And I and I like to read books, and my book is about my family. It's titled as An Unconventional Family Saga. It's about my family in which my parents raise my specially abled brother, how they cope up with the challenges of in the very conservative society like India of raising a specially abled brother, and like in the end how my brother is in fact like a there's a God's child who helps them and becomes their pillar of support.
Okay, that's good. Actually, you mentioned a named character with your name, Shashank. So I thought is it your personal story, as you said?
Yeah, it was my personal story. So this I wanted that I should that this story needs to be told, and I wanted that it's like a tribute to my parents. So I wanted to give like a tribute and a gift to my parents. So that's why I basically kind of wrote it so that the world can get to know about the struggles they have had.
That's really good. That's good. That's good. And can you tell me about your writing processes? How long it take to write this book?
It took me more than 2 years to write this book, because first of all I published it in the form of a short story, just a short story. Then I had to work on the first drafting. I had to find a publishing house after I completed the drafts. So to be honest, the publishing house Adhyan Books really helped me a lot in writing that book. So yeah, I kind of made a lot of notes about, first of all I made a blueprint, and then I devised a lot characters, and the story was all there. So I did not have to do so much of homework because it was the real story of my family. So after the first draft was done, I submitted it to the publishing house. They accepted it, and then they helped me a lot. So that was how it was done.
That's good. That's good. When I read your book, it's quite good. It's completely set up in different area.
Thanks a lot. I would like to personally thank you because you read my book. It was very gracious of you, and I'm really very happy that you liked the book.
And like I started reading from like 4 to 5 months maximum, and I never finished any book this fast. I completed within 1 day, only 1 day, 1 or 2 days max to max.
Yeah, I deliberately kept the book very short because in today's information technology and digital marketing arena, the attention span of readers has become very less, and people don't want to read long books. They get everything on their mobile phones, and lot of distractions are there. Thank you very much, Mukesh.
That's actually I prefer paperbacks over digital prints, क्योंकि मेरा खुद का काम IT का ही है, तो सारा दिन मेरा कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप्स के सामने निकलता है. So I prefer paperback और rather than कि भाई मैं digital book पढूं या Kindle वगैरह. I don't prefer.
Yeah, that's the case with most of them, most of the people, most of the youngsters, because they, of course, after like toiling in the office for 12 hours or in front of the computer, everybody would like a paperback edition. But I think we have to I feel that we have to keep pace with the technology. We have to use technology for our benefits. So like if we have services like Amazon Kindle, if we don't have the paperback edition, then I don't think there's no harm in availing that.
Hardcover editions are okay, but it's मतलब cost ज़्यादा लग जाते हैं फिर उस चीज पे.
Yeah, Yeah, that's true. Bookish. Monica is saying that I prefer both, but paperbacks. Yeah, I also agree. My first choice is also paperbacks or paperbacks because they kind of relax you. And but yeah, if you don't have any option, then I think Amazon Kindle is also okay.
I told her she were busy with her exams. After exam, she said she will read.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Yeah, that's very sweet of you.
And I really liked the book personally. Really, it's really good.
Thanks a lot, Harsh. It means a lot.
Do you face any challenges while writing this book or designing the plot of this story or characters? Any challenges?
Yeah, there were challenges. First of all, I did not want the character that was named by, like, I had inserted my name only in this book. Like Shashank was a second child, but I did not want my name to be as per the name of the character, because I felt that it would be like a bit it would be a bit of an injustice, because the audience, I had a feeling that the audience will be thinking that he's craving for sympathy by showing the story of their parents. But so initially I had named that character as Ritvik. So
that's it, I think. That's it.
No, Rachit is my brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
It's my character's name. The character's which name is Shashank. So I thought I wanted to name it somebody else. I had named it as Ritvik. So, but the publishing house, Adyan Books, told that you should add your name only, because when they read it, they did not felt that I was craving for sympathy, and because so that's like I thought that okay, let's try this. So I think till now it has come up good like this.
Got it. Actually, these days people think you are taking out victim card when you try to express. These are the major problem actually. When you try to tell someone कि हमारे साथ कुछ ऐसा हुआ है और ऐसा हमारे साथ रहा है, they said कि you are gaining sympathy or either you are playing a victim card.
Yeah, that's true.
That's all.
I agree.
That's what I think. वही चीज मतलब आपने लिखने का कब से सोचा था? मतलब it took 2 years, but when you started मतलब thinking of it कि I will write this book and all this thing.
Yeah, actually I was thinking of writing this book since 2017 or 2018. Because I had this dream in my mind that I wanted to tell the story of my parents and my brother to the world. But the process is so long, like when you don't find publishing houses very easily, and then you have to kind of work on the book. First it was published as a short story, and so it was like around 7-8 years back when I wanted to publish this. But I think gradually, if you take steps, then this time thing gets dissolved in your intent.
Monica saying exactly, world got its own ways to twist good things. Very true. Very
it is true. Monica has beautifully expressed the situation in amazing words.
Yeah. Or actually, when you're designing the character of Reena and Rajiv, so how did how their story get evolved? Like you explained it in very short. So how did
So like all the story was like a real story. I had it in my mind, so I did not have a lot of trouble to it's a non-fiction book, so it's not fiction, it's a real story. So the Reena is my mother and Rajiv is my father. So because all the stories that come up from the authors, most of them, whether it's Chetan Bhagat, whether it's Durjoy Datta, whether it's Ajay Kumar Pandey, you must have read them also. Like I'm talking about Indian authors, but all the authors' initial stories are from their own life and on their own experiences only. Most of them, not all. So that was a easy part, that I did not have to go into too much of technicalities like character development and like plot division, because it was all there. I just had to express that. So everything in the books, nothing is fiction. It's all true, and I just had to kind of go down memory lanes and just had to put it on paper.
Give them a fiction story.
It's a
Just
नॉन फिक्शन.
नॉन फिक्शन, बट यू गेव, मतलब आपकी जो स्टोरी थी उसको आपने एक फिक्शन के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करा.
या
I told you. Yeah. Are you working on any new projects or books?
Currently I am not working on any of my books. I am busy promoting this book, because writing book is one part and then promoting it is a different ball game altogether. So I'm busy in this and I'm busy with my job, but I have some stories in mind which I will maybe write this year or next year. So let's see.
That's really good. So मतलब which author inspires you to write your own story?
Like I mostly read, it may sound a bit cliche, but I mostly read Indian authors mostly, because Amazon Kindle में क्या होता है, फ्री में Indian authors ही मिलते हैं. तो and
it's a good Indian authors.
Yeah, because mostly I read self-help books of foreign authors mostly, but as far it comes to the contemporary fiction, I mostly read Indian authors. And so basically I have read a lot of authors, because Indian authors, like उनको पढ़ने से क्या होता है, हमें पता लगता है कि हमारी सोसाइटी में क्या ट्रेंडिंग मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, क्या सोशो पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज हैं. So authors like of course this, I have been reading Ajay Kumar Pandey. He's I have really liked his work, and he is a contemporary fiction writer. And of course self-help, I read a lot of authors like Divya Prakash Dubey is also good. He is a good writer. Of course Chetan Bhagat is there. Durjoy Datta I have read books. Ravinder Singh I have read 2-3 books. In case of foreign authors, I read a lot of work of Mark Manson. I have read his blog as well, his books, self-help books, Stephen R. Covey, and I really like to read the work of Nicholas Sparks, Colleen Hoover. Recently I read Rabindranath Tagore as well. So since you
are more into like self-help books and foreign authors, correct?
Not mostly, partially yes, that's partially true, but like if I have to read a self-help book, of course I will read a foreign author book. But if I have to read I read fiction as well, but contemporary fiction by Indian authors.
That's really good. If you मतलब आप किसी को अगर सजेस्ट करें, if you want to suggest a single book to beginner or expert, so which book?
I would like to suggest this very actually there is a question here by Monica. Did your family supported you when you were putting your story in front of the world? That's a very good question. Yeah, of course. They did. Actually, I had not told them too much that I am publishing a book on you. I wanted it to be a surprise for them. My mom was really happy. She thought that her struggles have been in front of the world in a good light. So she was very happy on reading the book. There is a kind of a satisfaction that you receive on a emotional level, on a subconscious level, that okay, our child, उसको लगता है, वो कदर करता है बेसिकली कि हमने जो सैक्रिफाइस किया. तो वो हर एक बच्चे में होना चाहिए कि अपने माँ बाप ने बहुत क्लीशे लगेगा आज के जमाने में सुनना, क्योंकि आवर जनरेशन इज टू मच इनटू, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट रोमांटिक लव, दैट पेरेंटल love also must be cherished and given value. So सपोर्ट तो किया था उन्होंने ऑफ कोर्स, बट मेरे पापा ने बुक नहीं पढ़ी, क्योंकि वो कह रहे थे कि इट्स लाइक when you are doing your own operation with the medical equipments. So he did not, to be frank, it's not out of any malicious intent, but he said that I don't have the guts to read the book because I don't want to relive that past. But हाँ, support तो था उनका, और but the main reward comes when you get the reviews, good reviews.
Point.
So after coming from office, whenever I used to get reviews, I used to send them by message. Even हर्ष का भी review मैंने उनको भेजा था when he read the book. So because since my brother is specially able, so I am their only child in studies and career. Although he is supporting the family, but I feel that it's my duty, like to kind of give them that feeling that they should be proud of their son. So I read reviews out to them so that they can feel that happiness, and when you see the happiness on their face, it feels that it's very satisfying.
It's satisfying.
Yeah, your answer to your question was that I really want to highlight an author called Divya Prakash Dubey.
Divya Prakash.
He's
right.
Yeah, his Hindi books, he writes in Hindi mostly, but his books are very good because for the beginners, if you say.
My friend also suggested me to read his book.
Yeah, you can read his books for free on Amazon Kindle. He writes in Hindi, but he is a very good writer as far as contemporary fiction is concerned, because most of the youth is in contemporary fiction.
English is okay. English ठीक है. English is also a language. It's just a way of communication. It's not कि भाई this is a superiority if you are talking in English.
Exactly. Language, I agree with you.
Just a way of communication and nothing else. It doesn't have physical existence of any of language.
Yeah, it's a surprising. I really am happy that you have such modern viewpoints, Harsh, because in our country only Hindi is degraded. Because if you go to China, if you go to Japan, if you go to Italy, if you go to France, they really have they really value their native language. They give more importance to like in France, French is given more importance to and then English, and same in China and Japan. तो हमारी कंट्री में हिंदी को थोड़ा डाउनग्रेड करके रखा है.
Definitely. When I worked with JP Morgan as my project of cyber security, so with them I was communicating with English usually, क्योंकि they are not native to Hindi actually. But if I communicating them, if I am saying something wrong, they are understanding, and they also cooperate कि English is not his native language and he is trying to communicate. And they just on work and we are good to go, and currently we are also working with them. So I don't think so कि जहाँ पे JP Morgan जैसी कंपनी का नाम आ गया वहाँ पे किसी नाम की जरूरत है किसी को. Definitely.
But it's not like we should not downgrade English also, कि English भी जरूरी है सीखनी.
As I said, it is just a way of communication. Either of language, wherever you go, language is just a medium of communication and nothing else.
True. That's quite true.
इसके अलावा,
if you ask me books in English, I think Preeti Shinoy writes very well. Ajay Kumar Pandey writes very well. He is a very good writer. I would suggest Akshat Gupta. Yeah, I have heard his name. Sudip Nagarkar. And of course Rabindranath Tagore is there. So Arundhati Roy and this one there is What? Sorry?
Durjoy Datta.
Yeah, Durjoy Datta is also there.
Personally, I want Durjoy Datta's book.
Yeah, me too.
I read only one book by mistake. stories were taking turns, like they don't have any kind of point really.
Yeah.
There are no points कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, कहाँ स्टोरी को लेके जा रहे हो, क्या वो रेलिवेंट है भी नहीं है उस पॉइंट को लेके. मैंने आज ही पढ़ के
Yeah, I also don't recommend Joy Datta, and yeah, it's okay, but yeah, if you have to write in a pulpy young adult manner, so for that also you need talent. So that's
also there are lot of writers कि they write very well in young adult series.
yeah.
But
Yeah.
if you are taking, like, if you are making book like Christopher Nolan movie, then I don't think so.
That's true. I also agree with you.
That's the point actually.
Actually, one book I read is of Dark Horse. It's the best-selling Hindi book till now by Mrinal. Author's name was Mrinal something. It was a story of UPSC and UPSC aspirants, their struggle and all. It's available on Kindle Unlimited. This is the most selling Hindi book till now, 4,000 reviews. So it's also in Hindi, but it tells the story of the Mukherjee Nagar में जो तैयारी करते हैं दिल्ली में आके, वो भी मुझे अच्छी लगी थी.
Definitely. When I started my company, my some relatives suggested me कि Harsh, just go and prepare for UPSC and something like that. Get a good job and you will earn good money. When I get a contract from JP Morgan, they were like they were asking their son कि क्या कर रहा है भाई, कुछ तो अच्छा कर.
No, that's not. ये सबके साथ ही है ऐसा
है. मेरे पेरेंट्स खुद मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा उस चीज को लेके देखते थे, क्योंकि मैं आई एम फ्रॉम राजस्थान, जयपुर. तो मेरे डैड बिजनेस में इज अ ज्वेलर एंड माय मदर इज अ बुटीक, एंड दे वर थिंकिंग कि आई गेट अ स्टेबल जॉब, कि ठीक है बिजनेस वगैरह चल रहा है, ठीक है आप एक स्टेबल जॉब पकड़ो और अपनी लाइफ सेटल कर लो. I really get the settled job around कितने 6 months मैंने काम करा था. MNC थी, एस्टेजिक करके कंपनी थी, सेल्स इंटेल के साथ काम कर रहे थे. I was getting around 40 to 50,000 per month, and I left the job and started my own company.
अच्छा,
that's the thing. Yeah,
that's amazing. Yeah, there's a big salute to you.
But still, parents are parents. You can't understand.
Yeah, but I think in the midst of all these career decisions and you're finding time for your passion for reading books and all, I think that's quite commendable. And generally मैं ये बोलना चाहूँ आपको personally हर्ष कि I really मतलब it's not like I'm not trying to create any controversy, but मुझे अच्छा लगा कि पहली बार जो है कोई इंटरव्यू, एक तो बुक मेरी जिसने पढ़ी वो एक लड़का था हर्ष, और इसने इंटरव्यू भी मेरा लड़के ने लिया. मुझे इस चीज की बहुत खुशी, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स गर्ल्स आर इनटू रीडिंग बुक्स एंड ऑल दी सेंसिबल स्टफ. सो लड़के अपनी अलग ही आवारागर्दी में बिजी रहते हैं. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एक सेंसिबल लड़के से बात करते हुए जिसको मतलब बुक्स का शौक है.
Actually, I got into books around mid of 2024. अराउंड मैं कहाँ पे, मैं जयपुर बुक क्लब का मेंबर था फ्रॉम 2023. बट लाइक इन जनवरी आई थिंक कि मेरे को थोड़ा बुक्स पे शिफ्ट होना चाहिए. आई रीड फ्रॉम पीडीएफ्स एंड ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. सो आई थिंक कि मेरे को थोड़ा फिजिकल बुक्स पे ट्राई करना चाहिए. So I get
it's a great job, yeah, because I really find boys in these creative fields, yeah. I think that's a very scarce thing, but I am really glad and proud that I am being interviewed by such
that's really
मतलब
actually
because boys का ये होता है कि यार कैरियर बैलेंस कर लो, उसके बाद जाओ अपना अय्याशी करो. But it's good that you are following your passion with your career. It's very tough actually
it's really tough.
Yeah.
तो यही चीज थी. तो just a second,
that to it's your own company, I guess, so I think it's very quite commendable, so it's a big salute to you.
Thank you. Actually it's sometime कि भाई बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाता है कई कामों में. Monica told me कि when I messaged you उसके भी
हाँ
अराउंड मेरे को 3-4 दिन पहले मोनिका ने बुक बता दी थी कि जस्ट
हम्म,
रीड हिज बुक, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई स्पेंड अराउंड 4 or 5 days टू मैसेज यू, एंड उसके बाद
अच्छा
2-3 दिन पहले बुक पढ़ी आपकी, क्योंकि फिर काम काफी थोड़ा ज्यादा था।
हाँ
लेट्स रीड आफ्टर, इट्स बेटर ना कि अपन पहले पढ़ ले फिर उसके बाद क्वेश्चन पूछे, तो वो
हाँ
ज्यादा बेटर है, क्योंकि फिर चीजें थोड़ी रिलेटेबल लगती है तो आप पूछ सकते हो सामने वाले से कि क्या चीज थी क्या नहीं थी,
yeah that's true.
वही चीज है। और
चलो that's very nice.
what kind of message or feeling do you hope readers take away from your book?
Yeah, as I told in the interview beforehand also, that okay, our generation is too much into romantic love and flings, one night stands, dating. I am not against that, but we should have a feeling in our parents, for our parents, of deep respect for them. We should try to serve them. मेरी लाइफ का एक ही मोटो है बॉस, मैं जाता हूँ ऑफिस में, काम करता हूँ अपना, या जो भी काम हो आपका, चाहे आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो, चाहे आप छोले पापड़ी बेच रहे हो, अब जाओ ऑफिस में आके काम करो, अपने घर वालों को खुश रखो, उनके सोने से पहले पैर दबाओ, और थोड़ा सा उनको कोशिश करो, छोटी छोटी, दे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मच फ्रॉम यू, छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं, जैसे सुबह उनके पैर छू लिए, या फिर एक अच्छी सी हक दे दी मम्मी को, या फिर थोड़ा सा सैलरी का पोर्शन दे दिया, या छोटे छोटे गिफ्ट्स दे दिए, या थोड़ा उनकी डांट सुन ली तो आई थिंक ओवरऑल द मैसेज दैट आई वांट टू कन्वे इज दैट जस्ट for being successful, do your job and make your parents happy, nothing else, and rest all is just like superficial and temporary. All these distractions come and go. So I may sound a bit old school, मैं भी 90s का हूँ तो but
I can,
yeah, but I think I understand this importance very well, very before in life. So all this is message is this, like, just do your job, work hard and make your parents proud and nothing else.
that's the thing. But when जब मैं अपने पापा के पैर दबाने जाता हूँ या मम्मी को हक करता हूँ, they asking me भाई क्या चाहिए so,
कोई नहीं यार, वो सबके साथ होता है
क्या चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, ठीक
कोई नहीं, तो रोज दबाओगे तो नहीं कहेंगे वो
ना देन ही थॉट कि भाई डिमांड बढ़ी है इसकी 5 दिन से ज्यादा हुए, डिमांड बढ़ी है इसकी, आज तुम डायरेक्टली तो सस्ते में नहीं पड़ जाएंगे देते नहीं। एक्चुअली मेरे डैड बहुत सार्कास्टिक है, बहुत ज्यादा हंसी मजाक करते हैं वो कई चीजों को लेके, बट कभी कभी सीरियस हो जाते हैं, इवन गेट टू नो अबाउट दैट।
चलो हो जाता है यार कभी कभी,
हाँ ये एक्चुअली रहती है वही। एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक्स डिड यू गेट फॉर कैरेक्टर्स, लाइक फॉर रीना एंड राजीव एंड योर कैरेक्टर एज वेल एंड रचित एज वेल?
actually most of the good feedback that I've got is for the character of Reena, which is my mother. Basically in the book she has to give up her career. She was a very bright and talented student, she had ambitions, she was a very good cultured girl. She has to, after the birth of a specially able child, and this happens with most mothers in their household, because they have to give up their career after जब बच्चा पैदा होता है, to take care of them. Husbands do not have to give up their career, but mothers have to sacrifice a lot, and they have to kind of raise the child, and then so all their dreams are like squashed. So the same happened with my mother, but on a greater level because of the situation. So a lot of people connected with that character very well. बट लेटर क्या होता है कि अब जैसे मेरा भाई है, वो अब बुढ़ापे में उनकी, जैसे लास्ट चैप्टर में बताया था, तो उनकी एक ही इज लाइक जैसे कहते हैं बुढ़ापे की लाठी, और सपोर्ट फॉर देम. So that character received a lot of praise, especially from the girls, and I think that was the main character that got a lot of love, and all the other characters are also praised. Like for Rajiv, I got the feedback that he was a good husband, he stood by her, but the real hero is, I think, Rachit only for this story.
Actually, yes. When I read, I only noticed thing ki story is revolving around Rachit, and after that, after climax, I got ki there are some childs like them, like him. Stories are revolving around them. So that's I like it about.
Thanks
So
a lot.
that's really good. And honestly, when I was reading about Reena, I personally appraised this ki she was got almost her dream job.
Yeah.
She almost took a step back and just started for caring of their son.
Of the son. Most mothers have to go to in our generation. Up to I don't know, but most of the mothers had to like go through this phase, which is very tough.
If you actually, I have a little suggestion. If you could add that point, that will be more spicy and good.
Sure.
If you set the story in joint family, आपको किसी बाहर टॉन्ट की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. आई थिंक सो.
भारत क्या? आई डिडंट
ना कि आपने लिखा था कि बाहर वाले उनको बहुत सारे लोग थे जो टॉन्ट कर रहे थे और देयर इज स्पेशल. इफ यू write the story in the environment of joint family, then you don't need the outsiders to taunt your family. You will get it.
Yeah,
real.
That's true.
यही चीज है. आपको थोड़ा सा ये चीज होता ना तो वो और ज्यादा मजा आता, वो स्पाइस अप कर देती उस चीजों को.
एक्चुअली जब बुक आई थी तो मेरे कजिन भैया बोल रहे थे कि तुमने कुछ बुराई तो नहीं की हम लोगों की उसमें.
डायरेक्ट नहीं लेते, ऐसे नहीं होता. आई एम आल्सो राइटिंग माय बुक, सो आई नो कि किसको पॉजिटिव में रखना है, किसको नेगेटिव में रखना है, एंड आई चेंज ऑल द नेम्स. That's really thing. And I just write a single page of my book right now. मतलब थोड़े, so it will take some time कि भाई जनवरी या फरवरी तक आएगी मे बी. अच्छा चलो यार, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर बुक. आई होप इट्स अ बिग सक्सेस. और मेरे को जरूर बताना है, एक कॉपी भेजना यार. आई विल रीड योर बुक फॉर श्योर. कॉपी टू प्लीज. या एंड just take some rapid fire questions. And what's your favorite of all time?
Favorite book of all time?
You pick only one book, so what it would be?
It's a autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam.
Wings.
Not Wings of Fire. There was another book. I am not able to remember its name. Wings of Fire was also an autobiography, but that book, it's on Kindle Unlimited. I'm not able to recall its name. It's a short book. He has written many books, but there in Wings of Fire, like, he has focused more on the engineering aspect, but that book basically focuses more on his personal struggles. So that is my favorite book.
Monica is also demanding for your book. Send me to her. Yes, definitely, I will send you.
Thank you, Monica. Thanks a lot. So sweet of you.
So, did you ever try to read political books, political background, or historical books?
Historical books. I want to read historical books, but they are not available very easily. But historical fiction. So historical fiction I have not read, but political, in terms of political books, I read this book by Ravish. That
Shastri.
No. He's a cricketer.
Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, I think.
No. Ravish, that journalist, Ravish Jain or Ravish Kumar.
You choose the right person to read, really.
But I did not like it too much, yaar.
No. Actually, current political scenes are very tensed. क्योंकि mix मिल रहे आपको इस टाइम पे. Some are supporting Congress. Definitely. As we are from Jaipur, and जब इमरजेंसी लगा था, so लोगों के तो घरों पे स्टोन पेल्टिंग होती है. हमारे घर पे वो होते हैं ना, क्या बॉटल्स होती है जिन पे फायर लगी हुई होती है. वो हमारे घर पे फेंकी गई थी
जब इमरजेंसी हुई थी.
इमरजेंसी
जब इंदिरा गांधी के टाइम पे.
So
Oh.
my some of my friends don't like कि भाई मेरे को कांग्रेस पसंद नहीं है, तो I have my certain reasons कि भाई नहीं है, पसंद तो नहीं है. And other some are this some are major consequences. As you see, when Sonia Gandhi came to Gandhi family, there are कोई भी ऐसा पॉलिटिशियन नहीं था जिनकी नेचुरल डेथ हुई हो. आई डोंट थिंक एनी ऑफ द एक्सेप्ट हर हस्बैंड, आई थिंक Feroz Khan. After them, any of their family, they get the normal death. I don't think so. Either
Yeah, actually, currently working with this author as called R.C. Agarwal. He was an advocate, senior advocate in Supreme Court. So he has read a lot of books on political scenario of India and history. So we are writing I am assisting him in writing this book. So he kind of has a lot of knowledge about the history and politics of India. So from there I am able to get to know, like right now you told her husband was Feroz Khan, and
definitely
all this I did not know a few months back. But if you are working with an intelligent person and an author himself, you get to learn a lot. So I kind of write articles for him. So I am now I am getting a bit inclined towards the socio-political scenario and history of India. So yeah, earlier I used to watch videos like about Vivek Bindra and all, about historical figures like Prithvi Raj Chauhan and all the history of India. But so I think company of good people gives you a lot of knowledge.
Actually, I don't like religion, politics, and other kind of politics. I usually prefer geopolitics, and personally, it's my favorite topic. When I get to know that Dr. S. Jaishankar is our foreign minister, I really appreciate.
Yeah,
he's a really genius person. So I don't think so कि इतना intellectual कोई हो सकता है कि before 2014 कि you can, आप किसी भी एक पावरफुल कंट्री के मुंह पे आप उनको मना कर दो कि वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू डीलिंग विद यू एंड वी विल डू व्हाटएवर वी वांट टू.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Modi has like appointed lot of very wise people in our cabinet.
Definitely.
And our national security agent is also very smart, Ajit Doval. Yeah.
And my landlord, actually we are living on rent. हमारे घर का क्या भी renovation चल रहा है, so we are living on rent. So हमारा जो landlord है, he is also in military.
अच्छा.
So he told me जितनी पावर अभी 2014 के बाद मिली है, they never thought कि they got.
Okay.
Never. कि कभी उनको कभी मिली भी आज तक इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी. पाकिस्तान they don't have to answer anyone, they just randomly fire. Actually I'm more into politics these days and I really like that topic.
Same here यार. अब जिस कंट्री में हो उसके बारे में जानना तो चाहिए.
Definitely. And any secret about the character is not in the book. Any secret you didn't mention in your book, or any character you forgot in the book.
Any character you
forgot to mention in your book, or any secret you forgot to mention in the book?
I don't think there is any character that I forgot to mention in the book, because the book is about a family and we have a nuclear family. So like 4 or 5 people are only there. So I don't think any character is left out. But any secret, yeah, there are a lot of secrets. Of course you don't आप अपने घर पे बुक लिख रहे हो तो आप अपनी गृहस्थी की सारी बातें नहीं बता सकते.
बट आपको लगा कुछ ऐसी कुछ चीजों की आपसे रह गई हो वो चीज की भूल गए?
हाँ यार, एक्चुअली मेरे को कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि तुम्हारा एंड बुक का बहुत जल्दी हो गया था. मैं थोड़ा चाहता था कि रचित का थोड़ा और बताया जाता
और होता वो चीज. वाकई में वो थोड़ा सा आपने काफी चीजें इजीली एक्सप्लेन कर दी और इजीली चीजों को दबा दिया. और इवॉल्व करते हैं ना उस कैरेक्टर के रिगार्डिंग, आप उस चीज को बता, दैट वुड बी मच बेटर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी.
मेरे को एक कई लोगों ने बोली थोड़ा सा रचित का थोड़ा 1-2 और चैप्टर ऐड करने चाहिए थे लास्ट में, बट मेरा ये था यार जल्दी से बुक लिखो, पब्लिश करो, मुझे मैं से हो नहीं रहा है, सब्र नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से मेरे को डालनी है बुक और भेजनी है ऑडियंस में, तो उस चक्कर में थोड़ा कम रह गया। बट थोड़ा और मैं बताता लास्ट में कि क्योंकि उसने एक्चुअली हालांकि सारी चीजें थोड़ी जल्दी कवर अप कर दी, बट थोड़ा और डिटेल में आई थिंक अगर मैं बताता कि वो थोड़ा सा मिस हो गया है कि एक्चुअली बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स थे। इनफैक्ट एक्चुअली आई वाज नॉट वेरी, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट बुक, सो आई वाज नॉट वेरी इक्विप्ड टू राइट अ फुल ब्लोन लॉन्ग बुक, सो वो सारी चीजें थी। बट आई वाज आल्सो अफ्रेड दैट, थोड़ा सा मैं डरा भी इसलिए हुआ था क्योंकि इतनी इंटेंस स्टोरी लोग पढ़ेंगे कि नहीं, लव स्टोरीज पढ़ते हैं लोग, एडल्ट स्टोरीज पढ़ते हैं, और 50 शेड्स ऑफ ग्रे का जमाना है, तो इसमें फैमिली स्टोरी पढ़ेगा कोई कि नहीं, तो मैं चाह रहा था जल्दी से खत्म हो क्योंकि ज्यादा टाइम न लगे, तो बट ठीक है, इन माय नेक्स्ट वर्क आई विल श्योरली लेट पीपल नो अबाउट रचित मोर.
That's really good. You were asking, are you a procrastinator?
Who is asking? Monica?
Yumi.
Yumi? Okay. Procrastinator. Okay, lots of messages are, sorry for dodging a question, मैं अभी आंसर करूंगा. काफी मैसेज आए हैं. Indian authors are really underrated. You've got so many books. I agree with you, Monica. And well done, guys. They are proud of you. Thank you very much. Gonna start reading Hindi books, my Monica. Sure, Monica. Yumi said that अंग्रेज चले गए, अंग्रेजी छोड़ गए. We can relate. Lots of comments यार, मेरा उस पे ध्यान ही नहीं जा रहा था. Thanks a lot for all the comments and all the words that were written for our support. Procrastinator, I don't think I'm a procrastinator. मेरा ये है कि काम को जल्दी से खत्म करो. थोड़ा सा सबको डर लगता है काम करने से पहले, चाहे कोई भी काम हो, चाहे सुबह उठ के ब्रश ही क्यों ना करना हो, हमको हमेशा थोड़ा सा डर लगता है कि अरे यार ये क्यों करना है. बट एज सून एज वी स्टार्ट डूइंग इट तो वो हो जाता है, और उसके बाद करके लगता है कि अरे यार ये तो छोटा सा काम था. तो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम अ प्रोक्रास्टिनेटर, बट या
But I am.
But you are.
Usually I delay some of the work. बहुत सारे काम ऐसे होते हैं कि हाँ हो जाएगा, कहाँ जा रहा है काम, हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या है क्या नहीं है, तो ठीक है. मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों को तो हवा में उड़ा देता हूँ कि ठीक है चल कर लेंगे. एट द एंड फिर देन आई गॉट टू नो कि ये काम तो रह गया. सो सुनते हैं फिर. कभी कभी होता है कि क्योंकि कभी कभी टेंशन रहता है, कभी कभी कोई ना कोई काम रहता है, आप भूल जाते हो. टाइम पे 10 कामों को तो लेके बैठ नहीं सकते. एंड एज आई स्टार्टेड कि मैंने अभी रीडिंग स्टार्ट करी और मेरी अभी हैबिट बनना चालू हुई है.
अच्छा.
सो मैं टू डू लिस्ट हो गए, जर्नल्स हो गए, सो मैं क्या नहीं मेंटेन नहीं कर पाता. क्योंकि मैं एक बार जर्नल लिखना चालू करूं, बट ठीक.
उसका एक तरीका है कि जैसे लाइक सम बुक्स लाइक एटॉमिक हैबिट्स, उसमें यही बताया गया कि छोटे छोटे गोल सेट करो. जैसे 1 पेज लिख लो रोज डायरी में, डायरी एंट्री जर्नलिंग, 1 पेज लिख लो वर्ड एंड, या फिर एक छोटा सा एम सेट कर लो. तो आई थिंक दैट्स काइंड ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन for this.
I know
Monica commented, salute to your mom for being so strong and all the parents out there. Thank you, Monica. They have been commenting throughout our interview. We definitely all have first year in company. Thank you, Monica. You guys made me curious about politics. Are you a procrastinator? हम पढ़ेंगे family story. शशांक, don't worry. अरे आप मतलब मोनिका पूरे इंटरव्यू के दौरान इतने अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स दे रही है, जल्दी सब खत्म करो. थैंक यू. यूमी भी.
यूमी really I am only relatable to you, Yumi. बिल्कुल ये बहुत आरालसी एक्चुअली. तो मैं भी थोड़े टाइम से रहने लगा हूँ, पहले तो ठीक है चल करनी है.
नहीं, and mostly यार I appreciate this on the part of the TLB city. Like it's a very good initiative. मैंने कल मैसेज भी किया था. And Monica, Yumi, to Harsh, to everyone who is running the TLB city, like मैं WhatsApp पे ग्रुप्स पे भी जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. It's a very good initiative. I really give a salute to you and shout out to you for your work that you are promoting authors. And giving them opportunity to showcase their work. And God bless you all, yaar. I am very happy that I came in contact with you. So keep up your good work.
Actually, Yumi and Monica are my seniors. I joined recently, few months back.
Okay.
They're better than me actually.
Okay.
And they have more experience कि भाई in reading or any kind of things.
Okay.
Actually, I never took any of interview before, so you are my first interview.
Oh, that's a privilege. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
वही मैंने बोला था स्टार्टिंग में इंटरव्यू की, ये सेंसिबल चीजों में लड़कियां ज्यादा आगे रहती हैं, क्रिएटिव चीजों में लड़कों को बस ये है कि यार जॉब हो गया, दारू मिल गई, खत्म.
And just go out and just chill and come to home and हो गया भाई आज का दिन. होता है और वही है.
और नहीं, अच्छा है.
मेरे को थोड़ा क्या अकेले रहना पसंद है. फ्रॉम लाइक अराउंड 1.5 साल से मैं खुद को आइसोलेशन में रखा हूँ. मैं फालतू किसी के ना जाता हूँ, दोस्तों के ना कहीं. आई जस्ट कीप माई सेल्फ हैप्पी. ठीक है, मैं दूर रहता हूँ, ठीक है.
नहीं, अच्छा है यार. ये एज के साथ मैच्योरिटी आ जाती है, तो तुम्हें बुक लिखने में भी ये मदद करेगा. थैंक यू मोनिका.
डेफिनेटली इट्स रियली आई थिंक कि अपन को जरूरत पड़ती है कभी कभी आइसोलेशन में अकेले रहने की, क्योंकि आप अकेले रहोगे तो आप खुद ही के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो और आपको आप ही की चीजें सॉर्ट करने में ज्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी रादर देन कि आप किसी से एडवाइस लो.
या दैट्स ट्रू.
क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपको जरूरत पड़ती है किसी न किसी एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस की. आपके लिए तो आपसे बेटर कोई नहीं हो ना. आपको अब दोस्त, रिश्तेदार, पेरेंट्स कोई भी कुछ भी बोले कि वी नो हिम बेटर. में तो आप जानते हो कि आप क्या हो, कैसे हो, क्या करते हो.
एंड इट मेक्स यू इंडिपेंडेंट एंड हेल्प्स यू स्टैंड ऑन योर फीट एज वेल. नहीं तो आप डिपेंडेंट रहोगे दूसरों पे कि इससे ये एडवाइस लेनी है, इससे ये करवाना है, तो दैट इज नॉट क्वाइट वायबल. या कीपिंग योरसेल्फ हैप्पी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कीप इट अप हर्ष. फ्रॉम मोनिका.
Actually, if a song can describe your book perfectly, which song it would be?
I think I didn't think of a song, but I thought of a movie called Bagban. You must have seen it. It's a very famous movie. And
Who doesn't? किसने नहीं देखी उसको?
Yeah, तो उसमें भी ऐसा ही कुछ होता है कि उसमें फैमिली में इश्यूज होते हैं. Then they kind of writes a book, and then the book becomes a bit popular. Of course, मेरी बुक उतनी तो पॉपुलर हुई नहीं, हो जाए भगवान करे, बट ठीक है, वैसा ही कुछ स्टोरी है. तो सॉन्ग अगर कहें तो सॉन्ग के बारे में मैंने नहीं सोचा है. आई डोंट थिंक सॉन्ग कैन डिस्क्राइब द बुक.
दैट्स ओके. तो क्या बोलते हैं, आपके जो कैरेक्टर्स आपने लिखे थे, तो वो उनका जो आइडिया था, नाम रखना, ये सब चीजें आपने किसी डिस्कस करा था, यू जस्ट हिट रैंडमली?
नहीं, मैं पेरेंट्स और उनके भाई के कैरेक्टर के लिए तो क्लियर था कि नाम उनका वैसा ही रहेगा. अपने कैरेक्टर के लिए मैं मतलब मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचा था कि मैं अपना नाम रखूंगा, क्योंकि अजीब सा लग रहा था मेरे को. दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट बुक. आई एम नॉट अ सेलिब्रिटी, आई एम नॉट अ फेमस पर्सन. क्योंकि ज्यादातर ऑटोबायोग्राफी उनकी, जैसे संजय दत्त की ऑटोबायोग्राफी पढ़ी जाती है, चाहे उसमें कुछ भी हो, बिकॉज ही इज अ फेमस पर्सन. So I was a bit skeptical about writing my own name, but Abhisha said you should go ahead. So yeah, that's
real. And beside writing, what are your hobbies? कि आप writing और reading के अलावा अगर आपकी कोई हॉबी है तो वो क्या रहती है?
मुझे I really like to play the guitar. आजकल नहीं बजा रहा हूँ, but म्यूजिक सॉन्ग सुनना, गिटार बजाना पहले बजाता था. और मूवीज देखना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. पहले थिएटर भी करता था, बट अब तो छोड़ दिया जॉब की वजह से. बट अब ये है कि मूवीज देखना पसंद है मेरे को. क्रिकेट देखना बहुत पसंद है. तो बेसिकली यही सब है.
क्रिकेट में आईपीएल?
नहीं आईपीएल मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा यार.
Perfect. Then you are a real cricket fan as just me. Really.
बेसिकली बड़ी मेरी नॉर्मल सी, कॉमन सी, मिडिल क्लास हॉबीज है मेरी सारी. तो राइटिंग करना, मतलब खाना पीना खाना, और ये क्रिकेट हो गया, मूवीज हो गई, गाने हो गए, तो बड़ा सिंपल सा मामला है. कभी कभी मुझे भी लगता है यार कि बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियों का शौक होना चाहिए, एक्सोटिक लोकेशंस में ट्रैवल का भी मुझे हॉबी है बहुत, लेकिन बहुत मेहनत लगती है ट्रैवल में। हम राइटर लोग आलसी होते हैं।
I can relate really. And honestly, मेरे को भी यही सब चीजें रहती है, बट ठीक है, at the end I just think यार जब घर पे आओ तो
हाँ,
पीस रहना चाहिए, that's
that's quite true.
which is your अगर आपको कोई एक मूवी अगर आपको देखनी हो,
हाँ,
which movie would you suggest?
एक्चुअली वन मूवी, एक्चुअली मुझे कलो ना हो बहुत अच्छी लगती है शाहरुख खान की, और it's not like a one movie, lots of movies I can watch a lot of times. ये जवानी है दीवानी, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा। फॉर हॉलीवुड फिल्म्स में भी बहुत सारी मूवीज हैं, जैसे कि प्रेस्टीज हो गई, और वो वॉल्फ ऑफ वॉल स्ट्रीट हो गई, या फिर मोस्टली आज पाताल लोक बहुत अच्छा वेब सीरीज अभी देख रहा हूँ मैं, वो बहुत अच्छी है। और काफी वेब सीरीज हैं, जैसे कि मतलब ऐसी कोई एक मूवी नहीं है, बट एक मूवी अगर कहो तो वही जो पहले कलो ना हो मैं कई बार देख सकता हूँ, बट उसमें बहुत सारी मूवीज हैं जिनका मुझे नाम अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है। तो इट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ मूवीज यार, यू कैन मतलब मूवीज मुझे आप कभी भी दिखा दो।
I can relate actually. From 2000 to 2010, cinema was really peaked of Bollywood, and Shah Rukh Khan was perfect that time.
Yeah, I am a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan,
And
I am a big Shah Rukh Khan fan.
I like Salman Khan too, but personally, Salman Khan's movies from 90s to 2010 or 12, they were really Salman Khan movies.
Yeah,
Currently, they from 2012 to currently, there are not real Salman Khan movies, according to me actually.
yeah, that's true.
That's really.
But I really like Shah Rukh Khan यार, मतलब क्योंकि because he is a versatile actor, and सलमान खान का एक ही उसमें मसाला मूवीज करता है, तो
That's it.
they saying talk in English guys. So basically I am a huge Shah Rukh fan. Hopefully you all also watch and like Shah Rukh Khan movies. Yumi and Monica.
Really, the book has launched on Shah Rukh Khan as well.
Yeah, I've read his book. I read,
didn't read, but I will.
SRK Can. I read this book, SRK Can by Mushtaq. Someone his friend had written. It was one of the first books I had read after college, because I was very much into doing theater and acting for my hobby purpose. So
Yumi said for बागबान मूवी, उस मूवी को देख के मेरे पेरेंट्स भी अभी तक बोलते हैं, आई नो तुम भी वैसे ही निकलोगे। My parents as well. Actually,
same here.
I many time actually I have debate with my parents many time regarding Bagban movie, and I just throw a simple one liner questions. If you are sleeping, and I just out of आपके कमरे के बाहर I just start typing on typewriter. Your reaction just tell me. And technically you can just see कि if Amitabh Bachchan want to write his book and he is writing, then he can do it in morning or afternoon as well, even in evening. After you can do it. But if you are writing it on like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m., definitely they are working here. So
I can understand, that's quite a humorous take. इस हिसाब से मैंने सोचा नहीं।
I can think definitely वो कोई that's not a thing. वो एक simple एक point है, so I just asked to my mom and dad, they also never answer this kind of questions.
That's true.
That's it. Yeah. And what's the last book you read?
Last book I read was of Ajay Kumar Pandey. I read his 2 books recently. You Are the Best Wife. They are bestsellers. I read it on one. I had received a paperback copy I got from a library nearby, and one I read on Amazon Kindle. You Are the Best Friend. I really liked both the books. Although, in fact, he has written. First of all, he has written on his personal story. Just like I mentioned, the author's initial books are on self experiences. So he has written on his personal love story, how he meets his wife, his girlfriend is, and then they become wife, and how she, I will not give the spoilers, but you should read it. How the twist comes and everything devastates in his world. Then in second book, he has written how he copes up with the issues that he has faced. So I
Okay.
liked it
I
a lot.
Hers always says jokes with a straight face. That's funny. That's my talent. ये talent
Nice.
हम लोगों में पाया जाता है. So I am one of them.
यूमी ने कहा है कि के ड्रामा देखो तुम दोनों. मुझे भी यार के ड्रामा देखने का बड़ा मन होता है, बट उनकी शक्लें देख लेता हूँ ना मैं, तो फिर मन नहीं करता मेरा.
You may have said anything. I'm so sorry. So I will give. मैं आपको इनका नंबर दे दूंगा. आप पर्सनली डील कर लेना. So that's not a problem.
के ड्रामा देखने का बड़ा मन होता है यार मेरा, बट उनकी छोटी छोटी आंखें और वो अजीब सी शक्ल देखता हूँ मैं.
मेरे एक दो फ्रेंड्स हैं जिन्होंने सजेस्ट करा था, हर्ष try to watch this K-drama series. It's just short 4 or 5 episodes.
Okay.
मैंने कहा just you watch and tell me the summary. I'll get it.
Okay.
Actually I'm fan of American cinema or
Yeah.
Indian cinema.
Me too.
And
Me
honestly,
too.
if you are exploring the foreign cinema, why you are not trying to explore our Indian cinema? Definitely.
Yeah.
And there are people, lots of people, I saw them crying while watching Titanic film.
Yeah.
मैंने कहा, just give a try to Anand. If you
Yeah.
hold your tears, then
Yeah.
I'll just do whatever you want to.
Yeah.
Try to watch Anand. I can't complete that movie.
Yeah. That's
उस
true.
पिक्चर बार देखा था, वो उसका रिग्रेट मुझे आज भी होता है. Really, I couldn't complete, and I don't like to watch sad movies.
Yeah, me too. Same
As I
here.
have dogs, and I don't watch those movies जिनमें डॉग मर जाता है, डॉग के साथ कुछ गलत हो जाता है.
मैं भी यार. हाचिको, एक दो मूवीज आई हैं, हाचिको हो गई, और
चार्ली,
एक और डॉग स्टोरी, चार्ली 777.
never. कि I just prefer कि हीरो मर जाए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, but dog should stay.
Animal lover. Yumi is saying, but K-dramas are good, try it guys, for sure. Sorry, Monica is saying K-dramas are good, try it guys, for sure. Monica, I will try them. And Yumi is saying they have some insane plot lines. I'm a big fan of sci-fi and they make insane sci-fi K-dramas. Okay, I will try it again. Thanks a lot for suggestion.
You should give a try to Christopher Nolan movies.
Yeah, I've seen all of the Christopher Nolan movies.
I don't think so कि इंटरस्टेलर से अच्छी साइंस फिक्शन मूवी कोई जिंदगी में बना सकता है.
Yeah,
and
that's true.
When Christopher Nolan tried to remake that movie, he can't even do that again. So that was recommendation कि Yumi and Monica, you should try an Interstellar movie. And if I would to watch 3 movies straight, I would watch
Lord of the Rings,
Batman, Dark Knight trilogy.
I've seen all 3 movies of Dark Knight.
It's my way to watch that movie in IMAX theater on big screen. That's my real.
Okay.
But don't know when it will re-release and I will watch that movie. Really think actually.
Okay.
So, what one advice would you give to aspirant writers?
The main advice I will give is read as much as possible. Whatever you want to read, even if it's just a newspaper, read as much, because as Javed Akhtar says that writing का रियाज पढ़ना होता है. So read as much as you want and start writing by journaling. Always keep a journal and diary handy and write 1 page daily, at least 1 page. So that will keep your writing perfect.
Did you ever wrote journal?
Yeah, I've started writing journals. I started my writing journey by writing journals only. Diary entry I used to write in college, and after that I took up it as a profession.
So do you prefer tea or coffee? Like while writing, tea or coffee?
Coffee.
That's the thing. Actually, I also prefer coffees while working, but
Yeah,
for sleeping and just for normal use, I prefer tea.
that's good.
So that's the thing actually. So, do you have any questions?
Uh, no, I don't have any questions, but I want to again thank you very much, Monica, for the compliment and my people for guidance. But again, I would like to give my sincere thanks to the TLB and the Digital City. And I would really like to thank you, Harsh, for taking out your valuable time for taking my interview. And thanks a lot, Yumi and Monica, for staying and bearing us for the interview throughout and giving beautiful comments.
Yes.
And
I just don't prefer making them.
nice. So I really am thankful to TLB, and may you become a good big Instagram and YouTube channel. You are already big, but like world famous.
They will.
Yeah. And I must say, yaar, ki you have done a great homework, Harsh. Like I think you have written the questions somewhere.
Actually, I have a little issues with memorizing the questions or something.
Yeah, so I think that's, guys, we genuinely enjoyed it, honestly. Thank you very much, Monica. Thank you very much, Yumi. But I think that's in fact, I have not given many interviews, but I've given a few, but this was the best one, to be honest. And I really give the credit to Harsh, Yumi and Monica.
Thank you very much. And honestly, I took almost hundreds of interviews, but those are for jobs. This was my first
Okay.
take interview with Otsar and all this kind of thing.
Okay. Chalo. Nice.
Just a single thing कि मेरे साथ हुआ था ये when I take the interview of a popular university, I won't say it. They told me कि Harsh, just come to our campus and take an interview of students and give them interview. मैंने कहा ठीक. So I just questions. I just put 1 or 2 questions max to max. I just asked आपकी hobbies क्या है? What are your hobbies? As everyone lied in their resumes कि I love reading books. So that's not a panic thing. But I always do homework कि मेरे को कौन सी बुक बतानी है. I usually say कि जो generally book सब पढ़ लेते हैं, either The Secret or The Atomic Habits or something. If someone asks me कि who is the writer of that book, so I can answer that thing. So ठीक है, they didn't any kind of homework. They thought कि I will ask them technical questions. I just sit on chair. I just ask, what are your hobbies? Sir, I like reading books. मैंने कहा, which book you currently reading? Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay. I just ask कि who's the writer of that book and what are the changes you noticed in recent editions? They don't even answer. They don't even know about the author as well. Why he wrote that book and what he is explaining in book. That's the thing.
Robert Kiyosaki, I think, wrote that book, na?
Everyone is saying कि he wrote this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and he is also in 1 billion debt.
Oh.
He is debt with banks. उसका debt का मतलब है कि अगर he went bankrupt, then banks will be completely bankrupt, almost. Actually, he took the loans on corporate properties.
Okay.
And corporate properties are easy to recover. If he don't pay any single penny, then bank will either recover, or if he declares the bankruptcy, then bank can't do any kind of thing to him. They just so you are a bad teacher scaring innocent children. So I just took an interview of 4 or 5 people, 4 or 5 students. Everyone told me कि we are reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I was repeating my questions to them. Yeah, just tell me who's the author of that book, why he wrote the book. Sir, I just started. I just turned the first page. Manaka, that's good. That you should actually. So, and one student was in that much hurry. He spelled the name wrong. He said ki I'm reading rich people, poor people. You are reading a biography written by British colonials. That's really funny when you take interview.
That happens.
I hope you never interview me. And thank you very much, Shashank, for joining. And it's really good.
Most welcome.
So, any questions? It's our pleasure, Shashank. Great to have you. Thank you. So, is there anything? Yumi, Neha? Oh, Neha, kya? Sorry, Monica. Actually, do you have any questions or something? Or we finish this interview?
No response.
No question. So I think we should end, and it's really good.
Thanks a lot.
Talking to you. I really liked it.
Really. Same here. Thanks a lot. Thanks. What is your skincare? Just wanted to know the story behind the cover. Questions are coming up.
Yumi?
Okay, what is it?
Of me or Shashank ji? Whose skincare you want to know?
Story behind the cover was that the credit totally goes to the Adhyan Books graphic designers. I think I said that they gave me 2 covers for the books, both was, so I finalized on one, but the idea of the cover was that a family photo should be there, so that's why I kind of finalized on that cover, but that credit goes to graphic designers of Adhyan Books. So I would really like to recommend Adhyan Books as publishers for authors. Skincare?
Ye question trying to troll us. I just washed the face with either face wash or just water, and 2 or 3 times in a day. This is my thing.
Thank you, Monica, for the compliment. You like the cover. That's why I can see a single breakout. Breakout?
What is breakout actually?
Thanks a lot, Monica. I have received this compliment about the book that they like the cover and the title also. So thanks a lot. Single breakout.
I'm also thinking what is breakout actually.
Well, that's what I am also thinking.
Don't worry, she will decode our language. Do me please decode it.
Breakout is pimples.
My mother is always concerned about my diet. She never think if she caught me eating outside food, I don't think so even Yamraj can save me from her. I really prefer कि मैं बाहर का ना ही खाऊं. जितना कम हो सकता है मैं उतना ही खाता हूँ क्योंकि ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम खड़ी ना हो. और मेरी स्किन इतनी वो है कि अगर मैं बाहर का खा लेता हूँ सो आई गेट रैश इमीडिएटली. तो आई प्रेफर कि बाहर का ना ही खाओ. 2 मिनट का मजा 6 महीने की.
मेरा तो यार स्किन केयर का एक मम्मी फेस वॉश लाई थी, कौन सा नाम नहीं याद आ रहा मेरे को, इधर उधर देख रहा हूँ यहीं कहीं था। लैक्मी का फेस वॉश था, वो यूज करता हूँ भाई। यार ऑल मॉम सो सिमिलर। चलो
Not mom. Boys are also similar. These are in care. तो moms तो खैर सभी की सेम होती है. Only name
it's
different. Moms are same.
that's true. Okay, speaking English. You don't sponsor them. Okay, no issues. I guess she's talking about the face wash.
Yeah. That's why I didn't took any name of my face wash actually.
कोई सही है. Okay.
That's the thing. Do you have any question right now to ask from me or any kind of thing?
No, I don't have any question.
Monica,
What can you recommend me some books?
okay. Recommendation. So I read Dark Secrets by Elizabeth Chandler, and it have two books in single book. It's there are two books in single book. It's a Don't Tell and Legacy of Lies. I read only Legacy of Lies.
Okay.
It's good book based on reincarnation system and all this kind of thing. And I read Samsara
Okay.
by क्या नाम था? Samsara. I read Samsara, and another one. If you like crime thriller,
Yeah, I can read that.
and I read How to Kill Your Family.
Oh.
Just one or two. After that, Mama caught me, so I could read third page. I'm just looking. I just get a time, and mom is not nearby.
Okay.
And really, when I bought that book and took it home, like, what is he reading?
Okay.
That's a thing actually. And my recommendation, I'm more into classics actually.
Okay.
I don't prefer too much romantic books and YA adult and all this kind of stuff. I prefer just simple and easy stories. I don't like too much complicated.
Okay, ask me Shashank, I will tell you good K-dramas. Laughing like a maniac. Okay, sure. Yumi, after the interview, I will surely message you and you can tell me good K-dramas.